What's up, everyone? Started my video a little late. Gonna be cleaning the AC unit today. I've already taken a couple panels off. You can see it's disgusting. It was super easy. Go these little 5/16 hex heads, take them out, pull it down. Mine were stuck in there pretty good because you can see there's a lot of buildup. Pretty nasty. Inside doesn't look so bad. Hard to tell. Yeah, it doesn't look so bad. Except for that. Disgusting. So, we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna start taking some more panels off. I'm gonna check this drain line too. I had some issues with it last year, but I just unhooked it. Just let it flow out right here. I think I got a plug in that line somewhere. It goes all the way somewhere in this little ditch. Have to find that. All right. I'll be back. We're back here cleaning up this AC unit. It was really dirty. Got it all tore apart, propped up by a nice little spade shovel. Wearing Crocs were a mistake, but we're just cleaning her off. If you saw the first bit of the video, you can tell that it's already a lot cleaner than it was, but it will be better. Got a few flat spots I'm gonna try to straighten out too. No bueno, not horrible, but no bueno. Right now I'm just cleaning out this little trench here. It is clogged to the teeth with dirt, grime, and all kinds of stuff. So once I get that cleaned out, I'll be back. Crikey. Flushed out a big one. Alright guys, I've rinsed it down with water only. Got a lot of that crud out of there. Still a little bit here or there, you know. Inside you can actually see the bottom now. You kind of see through it. Pretty clean, but now we're gonna bring out the big dogs. Got this stuff. Couldn't tell you if it's good or not. Had good reviews. I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, for all you online Karens. Oops. I did flip my fuse over and I cut my breaker off. Safety first, always. Figure somebody will say something about that. Oh, stick's not gonna work anymore. All right, so I'm gonna apply some of this stuff real quick. I'll kind of give you an idea how I'm gonna do it. Shake it up, get to the coils, and apply it fairly close. I'm gonna do a line like straight across. I don't know why I started in the middle. I'll go from top to bottom, but do it how you see fit. All right, I'm gonna spray this, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then we'll be back. Got it all sprayed down. Letting it soak in for a minute. I did inside and outside. Inside was fairly clean, but you know, while you're in there, might as well clean it. Outside was filthy, as you saw. I already see it's kind of breaking some stuff down. And we're gonna let it sit another few minutes. Ouch, something bit me. All right, we've been sitting for about 15-20 minutes or so. Still see a few little suds in there, not too much. So I'm gonna spray it off. Try to give y'all a view of what it's gonna look like when I spray it. Not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be way more satisfying than that, but didn't really change much. I'm sure it cleaned something, but doesn't even look like that foam's super dirty. Maybe got a little color to it. Who knows? But I'm gonna finish spraying it off. See if the inside looks different. Looked a little better on the inside. All right, I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be back. All right, everybody. Got the panels back on. See up in there, the coils look nice and clean. I still gotta clean the outside, but first I'm gonna silicone this seam right here. Cleaned it up with a little alcohol, wetted it down first. Came back with some alcohol, cleaned it up. Still a little dirty, not too big of a deal. Got some silicone here. Outdoor stuff. We're gonna seal it up. Get it airtight, waterproof. I'll be back. All right, got me a bead ran. Just ignore that. Other than that, looks pretty good. This stuff works pretty good. This little thing right here, the spout cutter, don't recommend that. Did not work good at all. Made me have to cut it out wider than I wanted. But we got it done. Says I gotta let it sit 24 hours before applying any water to it, so I'll clean this top off tomorrow. Saved a little squirt of this left, so I'll spray that down on top of here and spray it off, wipe it off. Spray the sides down pretty good. But other than that, we are done. Got my tools up. All right then.